Hi guys, today is time with me the
Kiddie crew.
TDQ workshop in
Day one.
Day
Day one. Just
day one with this
in McDonald's.
in McDonald's. Saya do just bye. Hi guys, today is time with me TDQ workshop. Day 2, time here. I will wake there. I'm waking. I just how like that. And that mommy order. I wait. I stop and wait and wait and wait and wait. And tapos, I give her the change. I did him order. Make
Iced coffee.
iced coffee. We just, I dip the money. And we just stay up dito the window. Drive to. I'm done na bigay food from people. Tapos may picture, tapos, I des and des. That it just did me bye.
Onion next. Just onion, no? Yes. Oh, you put it. Pwede siyang i-spread. I-spread yung onion. Good job. You put everything na. After that, kunin natin yung pickles. Good job. Kunin yung pickles and ilagay natin sa gitna. After that, kunin natin yung cheese. Cheese. And ipalagay natin siya ng pa-diamond. Pa-diamond. Pagkatapos natin siya. Gitna. This one.
Hi guys, it's the James. Come with me in the McDonald's. What?
Kiddie crew.
TDQ workshop.
Day
3 in McDonald's. I guess give mommy food. Eat that. Mommy take it. And I will adjust my hands. Tapos, mama iyak ko. And tell me what put the yard. And I make heavy bogo cheese. I just make it too much. Tapos, we picture with 2 bayos on my head. Pani ko. And ito may ikot pa yung bayon. I eat my bayon. I drink. And I have 2 bayons on my head. Tapos, and then, that's it, guys. Bye. I love you. Hi, guys. It's Jace. Come with me in McDonald's.
Kiddie crew.
TDQ
Workshop.
Day 4. Here with us. Tapos ito TV. And then they drive you. And I make
Coke float.
cook food, cook and juice.
Sunday.
Today, tapos, what?
I give the order.
I give the order. We picture
In the kitchen.
in the kitchen
With my friends.
with my friends.
And ate.
And ate too, yeah.
It
That it just, I love you, bye. Hi guys, Tita Jay está with me in the McDonald's
Kiddie crew.
CDQ
Workshop.
workshop party.
Day 5.
Day 5.
Our graduation.
It my graduation day. So, we this, we pray,
And then we sing.
we sing, and then we picture, ting. Tapos, we dance and dance and dance. And dance and dance, Jimus, dance and dance and dance and dance. Tapos, I just with my friend Tayon. Tapos, Titi James, but later we picture, I have the badge and the picture and
Certificate.
Toti Piki cake. I am the Jean Mace, Chad, but I picture I'm not Chad, but I'm just Chad. I'm Chad. I did pitch the metro bike that it's just bye. Love you guys, bye. Hi guys, it's James. Come with me to McDonald's.
Grand.
Jan.
Graduation.
Graduation. GDQ. Workshop.
Ayun, watch. What did you do? You tell them. I play games.
I play games. But I did not win. But I did not play another one.
That's okay. Did not win.
I did not win. Tapos I wait about si Chancellor Bisyang. Tapos I did not play there. Dad, I want to go back there. Mamaya pa yung iyak ko. After that na yung show. Tapos yuk. With this yuk.
Watch. You watch the show.
I watched the show. With
Then
this.
there's Green Maze.
And then the Jean Mace and the Chown and then
It's Ronald McDonald.
and the Danos.
Kuya Alden is so pogy.
No.
He's pogy.
No.
Like Daddy.
No.
And that's it, guys.
That it just bye. Love you.